Pansit is a traditional Filipino noodle dish that is commonly served at parties and special occasions. It is typically made with rice noodles, bihon, that is stir-fried with vegetables and or meats, such as chicken or pork. Pansit can be cooked in different ways and may also include various ingredients such as shrimp, squid, or sliced tofu. There are many different regional variations of pansit throughout the Philippines. For example, in the northern part of the country, there is pancit battle pattern, which is made with egg noodles and served with a beef broth and toppings such as egg, chicharron, and meat. In the Visayas region, there is pancit molo, which is a type of dumpling soup made with ground pork and wrapped in a thin wrapper, similar to wontons. In the southern part of the Philippines, there is pancit palabok, which is a rice noodle dish topped with a thick shrimp sauce, crushed pork rinds, and sliced boiled eggs. Pansit is a versatile and delicious dish that can be enjoyed any time of the day, whether as a main course or a snack. Step 1. Soak the rice noodles in warm water for about 15 minutes or until they are soft and pliable. Drain and set aside. Step 2. Heat the oil in a large pan or wok over medium-high heat. Add the garlic and onion and sauté until the onion is translucent. Step 3. If using meat, add the sliced chicken or pork and cook until browned. Step 4. Add the sliced vegetables and continue to stir-fry until they are tender. Step 5. Add the chicken or vegetable broth and bring to a simmer. Step 6. Add the drained rice noodles and soy sauce to the pan and stir until the noodles are evenly coated. Step 7. Continue to cook and stir until the noodles are fully cooked and the liquid has been absorbed. Step 8. Add salt and pepper to taste. Step 9. Serve hot and enjoy. Note, you can also add other ingredients to your pansit, such as shrimp, squid, or sliced tofu, depending on your preference. You can also adjust the amount of soy sauce and other seasonings to suit your taste.